Red gari ni adua, gari and beans is so popular in Ghana. Everybody enjoys it, from the young to the old. It's so easy to make. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today on our menu, we are making a delicious Ghana street food called red. A lot of people enjoy this in the mornings and also in the afternoons. It's easy to make, so this is what I had for lunch, and I want to show you guys my recipe, how I enjoyed myself. So let's get to the kitchen as always and get started. So because our beans is already cooked, we will not waste my time. Just let's go ahead and fry our ripe plantain. You can use any type of oil that you prefer. I'm using vegetable oil for this recipe. And guys, one more thing. This is how I cooked my beans. Yeah, when I wash the beans, I put in some salt and also a little bit of Maggi tablet. Just a little bit. Because I wanted to get some, some nice taste in the beans. So that's what I did. So just a reminder, guys. Just a reminder. Yeah, so now we are frying our ripe plantain. Yeah, and I decided to add some sausage. This is the chicken sausage. This lunch is going to be superb. Yeah, so you flip it over, you turn it over when one side is cooked or fried, and then you make sure you keep the color golden. Because when it burns, it doesn't make the food appetizing or even attractive. Yeah, and you also make sure that you don't put the heat too much higher, because if it's higher, the outside will cook or fry, but the inside will not cook well. Yeah, so we are done with our frying and let's serve ourselves. I also made some anwamu or oil rice. Guys, you can also replace the oil rice with some jollof rice. So guys, after serving ourselves, I am going to do the tasting for all of you, okay? Yeah, since you cannot come to my house and do the tasting, no worries, I'll do it for you all. So yeah, let's serve ourselves nicely. After the rice, I'm going to put some beans also on the side. Some people like more gari and others who like more beans. So it's up to you which one you like to have more than the other. So now let's put some plantain on the side. This plantain is so welcoming. It's so nice, so nice. Yeah, and yeah, I cannot go without my I cannot eat, like, I can't mostly enjoy my red without some avocado, guys. So all the time I make sure before I make some gari and beans, I have my avocado on the side. This avocado is so rich and so creamy. So now let's put some palm oil on top of it. Yeah, because it definitely goes with it. I mostly enjoy my red with some avocado and egg. But today I decided to go a little bit extra. That's why I've added some fish. So yeah, we are done, guys, and I cannot go without putting on some hot black pepper sauce. You can also use some grounded pepper and tomatoes like we do in Ghana. Thanks for watching, and I hope you are inspired. See you all again in my next video. I love you all. Bye bye.